So I was at the Home Depot this week doing a little project, and I saw a bunch of large stickers being placed on shingles with the words "Caution, do not mix bundles with different lot numbers." It also mentions like plant locations and identification bars, and goes on to say that this information is located on each bundle. Now, this is what I would consider to be manufacturer's specification for Owens Corning, meaning the IRC code prohibits the repair of a shingle unless it comes from the same lot, location, or proof of bar coding. Personally, I found this pretty crazy and interesting, so I looked into other shingle manufacturers, and there's a trend. They all either recommend or require the shingles to be installed as a unit. And of course, I've asked for all these documentations as ammunition for our contractors and our supplementing process. But with this information, you can fight this too. And as usual, if you need a hand, let me know.